Okay, so what I did after making these, after putting the edge on, I sanded on the table sander. And once in a while, you notice you get a piece of hemlock or a board that has some, it wants to split. And over here, oh, right here. So it's still a strong board, it's still fine. So I put a few nails in it just to, because you can see how it's going. It's probably not going to go anymore, but by doing that, it definitely will stop it. So now what I'm doing is putting the stain on them, so they look like this. It looks much better. So originally I thought it would go like this. That's what I originally thought, which I think looks fine. But then I was playing around and I did this, and I think that's what I'm going to do, is put them on like that. So I'll put a screw in here and one in there, and that's how they're going to go on. I think it'll look really good. So I'm going to finish those up, and then we'll get them on, and then we'll be ready for the next step.